Hi, and welcome to today's video. We will be talking about dictionaries in Python. Now, what are dictionaries? A dictionary is a collection of unordered, changeable, and indexed data items. In a dictionary, each data item has a key value pair. Dictionaries are optimized to retrieve values when a specific key is known. Now, in order to create a dictionary, you can either use curly braces. As shown in the first example, we are creating a dictionary called dict1, and within curly braces, I have specified all the key value pairs which are to be stored within the dictionary. So, the first key value pair is item whose value is trench coat. Similarly, brand whose value is pepper mayo. Similarly, collection whose value is autumn winter, and year whose value is 2020. You can also do the same using the dict constructor. As you can see, dict1 equals dict, and within closed brackets, I am passing all the necessary key value pairs as shown in the first example within the dictionary to be stored. Now, if I print the value of dict1, you can see that all the key value pairs which were stored within the dictionary have been printed in the given format. Item trench coat, comma, brand pepper mayo, comma, collection autumn winter, comma, year 2020. Now, in order to access single items of a dictionary, you can do so using square brackets by specifying the key to get the corresponding value which is stored within the key. If I do print dict1 and within square brackets pass the key brand, the output would be pepper mayo because pepper mayo is the value which is stored within brand. You can do the same thing using the get method. As you can see, if I do print dict1.get and pass the key brand, I will get the output pepper mayo, which is the value which was stored within brand. In order to access items of a dictionary, you can loop through it. Now, if we want to print all the keys stored in a dictionary, I can use a for loop. As shown in the example, if I do for I in dict1 and simply print the value of I within the loop, the output would be all the keys which are stored within my dictionary dict1. So, item, brand, collection, and year. If I want to print all the values which are stored within my dictionary, I can do so using a for loop again. If I do for I in dict1 and within the loop do print of dict1 and within square brackets pass the value I, you can see that the output is all the values which are stored within the corresponding keys which we are traversing using the for loop. So the output is trench coat, pepper mayo, autumn winter, and 2020. You can do the same using the values method. As shown in the example, for I in dict1.values, and if I do print I within the for loop, the output would be all the values present in the dictionary. So trench coat, pepper mayo, autumn winter, and 2020. In order to print the keys along with the values, you can use two variables within the for loop. As shown in the example, for I, j in dict1.items, and you simply have to print I, j. The output would be all the key value pairs. Item trench coat, brand pepper mayo, collection autumn winter, and year 2020. In order to check the number of items present in the dictionary, you have to use the len method. So, if I do print len of dict1, the output would be 4 because in my current dictionary, I have 4 key value pairs stored. In order to check for the existence of a specific key within your dictionary, you can use the in keyword. You will do so using a conditional if statement. So, if I do if brand in dict1 and print present within the conditional if, the output would be present because in our current dictionary dict1, we do have a key whose name is brand. If you want to add a new key value pair to the existing dictionary, you can do so using square brackets. As shown, dict1 square brackets pass the new key. Here the new key is size and assign the value to it. So here the new value is medium. Now if I print dict1, you can see that along with the existing key value pairs, the new key value size equals medium has also been stored. You can also change the value of an existing key in the dictionary. So for example, if I want to change the value of item from trench coat to cardigan, I can do so using the square brackets again. As shown, dict1 square brackets item equals cardigan will change the value of item from trench coat to cardigan. In order to remove an item completely, you can use the pop method. Now, if I do dict1.pop and pass the key collection and then print the values of dict1, you can see that the key value corresponding to the key collection has been removed. So the output is item equals trench coat, brand equals pepper mayo, and year equals 2020. You can do the same using the del keyword. As shown in the example, del dict1 off and I'm passing the key collection again. Now if I print dict1, you can see that the key value pair corresponding to the key collection has been removed again. In order to completely empty a dictionary, you can use the clear keyword. Doing dict1.clear brackets brackets will completely empty the existing dictionary dict1. Now, what are nested dictionaries? A dictionary that contains many dictionaries within itself as elements is known as a nested dictionary. As you can see in the given example, Camp Scouts is a dictionary. But within Camp Scouts, you can see that there are many small dictionaries stored as its elements. So, Scout 1, Scout 2, and Scout 3 are specific dictionaries which are stored within the bigger dictionary Camp Scouts, making Camp Scouts a nested dictionary. So that's all for today, and I will see you in the next video.